Hey, what's up? Did you know that you can make $200 a day charging electric scooters? Well, it's Michael De La Cruz, so I'm going to be showing you how in this video. Stay tuned. All right, my friend. Well, I'm just glad that you made it to this video because in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start banking by simply charging electric scooters. So let me go ahead and hop on my computer very quick. But before I go on that, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because you don't want to miss out on any upcoming videos coming from me. I share a lot of stuff regarding making money online and simply designing your dream lifestyle right from the comfort of your home. Those are the things that I'm passionate about showing people how to do on my channel. So make sure you hit subscribe and let's get to it because I want to share with you how you can start banking charging electric scooters. So today I'm going to be focusing on pretty much two websites that you can actually use and and really download an app so you can start earning money simply charging electric scooters just like you would do with your phone, right? So what I got here, the first website is it's called bird.co, www.bird.co, and don't worry about the spelling of the website. I'm going to be leaving some links below. So basically what you're doing here, you are going to this website and you're going to download an app, right? And the app is going to tell you where they have scooters available, right? Where they have scooters available that you can actually charge up. So if you know how to charge your phone up, just plug it in, then you can do this, right? And the best thing about these two companies is that they pay pretty well. I'm gonna share with you the amount that they pay, but this is one of the best side hustles I ever had the opportunity to learn from, and that's why I want to share with you because these companies are there to help people really earn income, you know simply charging scooters. So what you want to do, you want to go to the website and you want to click on where it says become a charger, as I'm pointing right here. Once you hit that button, um, all you do is just simply sign up, put your name, put your phone number, email address, zip code, and they have several countries where this is available. So this is not only pertaining just to the U.S. This specific website here called Bird, you can is actually a global company. So you can be in Australia, you can be in Austria, you can be in Belgium. So select the country where you're at right now, and simply um, put your details on there. And then once you get access to the app, then it's gonna list you all the available scooters that you have, that they have in your city or in your country, where you can go and you can simply charge the scooters, right? So basically, you're gonna go to these locations. If you have a vehicle, will be best because that way you can, you have potential to making even more money, right? And like I said, all you're doing is just three little steps. So the first thing is that you're gonna do is you're gonna join the charger community. So you're gonna be a charger. That's gonna be your assignment, your title, right? It's going to be a charger. So simply you signing up, simple as easy, just add your banking information so then they can pay you, right? Then the second thing is you're going to find a charge and release birds, right? So you're going to go into the community and you're going to pick up birds, charge them at your residence and release them the next day. Simple, right? And the birds is basically the scooters itself. That's why they call birds. You can see there's a little video on there. So I love this app. So you simply all you need is an iPhone and an internet connection, and then that one app that they're going to give you. So to give you a definition, what is Bird? Right, Bird is simply charging the future of transportation. So they provide an on-demand personal electric vehicle sharing network. So they're launching, cities across the globe. So they're pretty much just providing people with scooters or, transportation, methods. And then, they're actually hiring people or, partnering with people so people can help keep this, scooters charged, right? So that's simply the way you earn. Super simple. So you join, you become a charger, then you find, once you get the app, then you find where where the scooters are, you pick them up. Again, if you have a vehicle like a van, you can actually bank up pretty well with this company, and then you get paid daily. So, but like it says here, you get automatically paid each morning for the work you did the night before. Okay, so man, you can start banking with this, and that's it for this company. So let's go with the company website number 2. Is a website called Lime, right? Lime. So I'm gonna leave a link to this website. So Lime is similar to to Bird. It's like it's like the difference between Uber and Lyft. It's pretty much the same service, the same type of service. Just one is more a little sophisticated than the other, and another one might not be global, might be just local. So let's go ahead and check out and see what locations Lime serves. Here we go. Okay, so they got U.S. cities on here. They got international cities as well. So as you can see right now, Lime is actually available outside of the U.S. too. That's super important because people that come to this channel, you might be outside of the U.S. You might be somewhere else. You might be watching this video from some other country, right? Who knows? So you wanted to know if you can earn income now. Now you found this website, so now you can actually go out there and kill it. You can actually earn, and what you're doing is just simply charging scooters. So again, let me repeat to you. Let me go back to the main site here. So basically what you do, you actually click on join us here for this website to get started. Then you become a charge scooter. That's what you want to do. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a sign up page, and again you put your name, you put your last name, you choose the country. If you're not in the US, you choose the country where you at located. Look and see if your country is listed on there, and simply get started. Simple as that. And to illustrate you how you can make $200 per day, let me tell you that Lime and Bird, they pay anywhere from $5 to $18, right, per charge. Okay, so a good recommendation, me doing research and learning from other people that had experience with with these two companies. A good advice is to, once you see which once they list the scooters that are available in your area, make sure you look for the ones that are actually that are actually paying less, because they have the ones that they pay $18 and they have the ones that just paying $5 for the charge. So look for the one they're paying for less, because the higher the higher paying ones, they're probably already taken by other people. So if you take the ones that are already they're already they pay less, like the $5 one for example, all you need to do is just charge up 40 of those scooters, and that's $200, right? Simple. I know you can do this, and if you have a vehicle, it will be even better. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you can make $200 per day charging electric scooters. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. I hope this video was super helpful, and again, if this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And if you would like to to learn what's my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income from the comfort of your home using a smartphone and a laptop, go ahead and click that link below this video and fill up details. It's a special video that's going to show you exactly how I make money from the comfort of my home, and how you can start, how you can get started today as well. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Peace.